Okay, guys, I think I deserve an Oscar or something because what you're looking at is a chart of Gooby, the meme coin guys, I shared this meme coin with you all like months ago. It was one of my first videos on the channel. It was one of the videos that I told you that this was the best meme coin for me because it is the one meme coin that it keeps making me money. It keeps printing, man. And I just don't know what to tell you guys. This is one of those true gems, like a real meme coin gem, because not every meme coin, not every ticker can print you multiple X's. Like for example, this one printed me a 10x like 3 times. This is something that very few coins are able to do so. I shared with you guys many good coins. Most of them, all of them were very good coins. But of course, there's a degree of quality between them. You can make a 10.5, a 10x, an x5, an x10. You can triple your money. You can multiply your money by several magnitudes. But there's a limit to that multiplication of wealth, you know, guys, because many coins, many tickers, even the good ones, eventually just die and no one cares about them anymore. They got taken over by very trashy communities and they dump it all down. I've seen multiple instances where you had a very good project, a very good community, very good advertising, whatever, and then the price just plummets like in a month or two. And Gooby, guys, has been around since March. Today is July 26, and it's amazing that Gooby just keeps printing and it keeps going higher, even higher than ever before. I told you guys and I shared this meme coin in like March, something like that. Like May, probably on April. I don't remember exactly right now what exact date that I shared this coin, but it was one of the first videos, like literally one of my first videos that I ever made on this channel. And it's not only going always upwards, but also what makes Gooby very special, very interesting, and especially very profitable is the fact that with Gooby you have these you could call them collapses, dips, corrections, but these are the best entries to multiply your money. These are the entries that most meme coins don't even give you because they are either always going up or always going down. There's little in between, but with these dips, guys, this is just amazing how much money you can actually make with Gooby. Like I said, this prints multiple 10x. For example, this is a 10.5. You have even way bigger than that. You have a x20. Just imagine this, guys. Just imagine this. So it's just so amazing, guys, that a coin just keeps on giving and it never dies. Gooby is one of those warriors that is never going to die because it's the perfect mix of the coin that has the best metrics, but it's also very kind of unnoticed by most people. That makes it perfect because it keeps away all the trashy scammer celebrities like Andrew Tate and Hulk Hogan and the guy with the 50 cent that got hacked, whatever. All of those guys, that celebrities, they are just taking money away from you. They are taking the liquidity of the actual traders of meme coins, the actual community of all the crypto scene. They're taking your money, and that's because They don't care about the projects, they don't care about the community, all they care about is getting easy money. The fact that meme coins are largely unregulated all allows that those people can do whatever they want and have no consequences whatsoever. I mean, there's multiple instances, like hundreds of cases, where you have celebrities, you have rappers, you have boxing wrestlers, whatever, and they all do the same. They scam people, their own fan base, and they take money away from the crypto trading community, especially the meme coin aficionados. And Gooby is the perfect mix, the perfect balance, because you can see the liquidity. It's not really that high compared to many other coins that go all the way to 1 million, whatever. Gooby is not the coin that will make you a millionaire overnight. Gooby is the coin that will give you money. It will print you money regularly across several months, weeks, and years. And that's even better than becoming a millionaire overnight, because in order to become a millionaire overnight, you either have to invest in projects like Bitcoin or Ethereum in the first couple years, or you have to be part of the cabal. And the cabal are basically the ones that I told you, they are scammers. The cabal is basically a synonym for scammers. Those people don't care about your money. They want you to buy their bags. That's all they want. They don't care about your own wealth. They don't care about your dreams, your whatever. And Gooby is a perfect mix because it allows you to keep making money consistently. Doesn't matter the day, the month, or the week, whatever. It will give you money because you can see that this chart is just beautiful. It's just beautiful. For example, we are in a current, this is a support zone. This is a very good support. It already shared this on the last month, June. This is the best entry for the next couple of months. And this goes, all the way up, all the way up. I don't know what's the ceiling of this coin, but it's keeping, guys, this thing, Gooby, made me a multiple 10x several times. And there's very smaller x's in between, very smaller multipliers, like twice the money or like triple the money, an x4 or whatever, in between those 10x's. But this is multiple times in a single coin. Like I said, many coins just are a one-shot trick and that's over. It's over. That's done. There's nothing left for it. But with Gooby, you have always new liquidity, more holders, and like I said, it's on notice. And I want to keep it on notice. I am sharing it because I know only the people with high IQ, with the actual brain power to take advantage and profit of something like this. Because like I said, most people are actually not really that intelligent. They go for the scams that the rug pullers and celebrities go and create, because they think that all they want is to become a millionaire overnight. And that's not going to happen. That doesn't happen to your random average Joe. That happens only to the cabal. Only the cabal gets a millionaire overnight. Only the cabal gets that so much money because they take it off you. You're basically giving your money away to them because you cannot wait to develop or to find a strategy to consistently make money. So you have to rely on a promise, an empty promise of some guy, some scammer that is promising you that if you buy his coin or her coin, you're going to be a millionaire in the next couple of days. That's not going to happen, guys. So I hope that you appreciate what I'm talking about and what I'm sharing, because I don't think there's a single YouTube channel talking about this coin, Gooby, and especially not a single one in the YouTube scene, whatever. There's not a single one video that has told you about this with months in advance, guys. So like, share, and subscribe, because these gems are unique, and so far I'm the only one bringing them out to the public. I don't see anyone else doing this. So I'll see you guys next time. Take care.